Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful evening, and today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So as we can see here, XRP has just steadily been moving up. I've had a huge amount of things going on in my life now that XRP has moved up to this degree. The investment profiles that I work on have increased substantially, and there's a few things that me and my team need to think about now. I was getting, bunch of calls, bunch of texts. It's just a really wild time for me, but I know I haven't been on in a couple days, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on at least if you're interested on what I think has been happening. I've been watching XRP price chart for years and years and done really, really detailed research on XRP in general. So hopefully what I say can help you out a little bit if you're interested. And as far as XRP price chart goes, I think we can kind of just see the overall structure here is that XRP, we all know, has been continually breaking upwards. So normally in an XRP bull cycle, all the ones that have come previously that would be considered a bull cycle, all of these have had about 3 serious corrections in them. So yeah, they move pretty much in a straight line, but they have been also punctuated by about 3 corrections. So we're wondering now, okay, are we going to get our first correction here? Are we going to get any corrections, really? Because the price had just been moving up steadily. So I could see in the order books for institutional order flows, when there were spots left open that would come back and get filled. But as of November 5th, this phenomenon seemed to stop occurring. So as of November 5th, I guess it was all systems go. Everyone's purchasing, everyone's buying, and technical price gaps, which is also known as the TVP, actually ended up getting left. So there's a bunch of areas in here that just got completely left, and that is actually usually what happens when structures change. Sometimes I'm just going to call them gaps. Sometimes TVP or gaps don't get filled, and the price just continues to move up and these areas are left. And as far as XRP price goes, I know it looks like we're getting a little bit of a retrace here. People are probably wondering what's going on, but we've just had such a substantial move ever since that day of about November 5th. We've just ramped up and had such a substantial move that really XRP, if we did get a pullback, I don't see us coming back down sub $1. I really don't. I think that we're going to kind of hang out in this area up here. I mean, so far in this bull run from, again, November 5th until today, we have had about 2 consolidatory structures. One here, first one, this one broke up. This was a consolidation. Then it broke up, so no back test. Then we get the second consolidation here, broke up again in perfect XRP triangle formation. That's what really got all the attention in. And then boom, we got this move up, grind higher, then flat, no correction, boom. This move to the upside, extreme moonshot on December 1st. I'm sure you guys are all aware, but we had a huge move that day. And actually, December 1st was when a lot of the people... So I got a bunch of calls and people interested in XRP price on about November 22nd. So I got a bunch of calls. Everyone's interested. So they were all interested, calling me, texting me. I usually get a bunch of calls and texts about XRP, but I could tell there was a huge increase on about November 21st. Everyone's head started to turn and they looked. And then right around here, this previous rally on December 1st, noticeably, I got the same people and a few more people, but now they were serious and interested in buying. And there was a couple of people that were actually almost a little bit frantic wanting to get into this move. and they were calling me on December 1st. So I think people were looking at it here at this breakout on the 21st as far as, retail. And then on December 1st, then people started to pile in mass, and so I think that XRP, it's making these small consolidations, and when you get to the lower end of some of these ranges, you can put in a buy order and get a really tight risk to reward. So that's very helpful. But it is possible that we get a little pullback. If we do get a pullback, I would say we come down. I mean, worst case scenario, I'm thinking 1.27 around there. That would be worst case scenario, but I'm not even sure that XRP is going to go that low. I mean, everyone's piling in. So if retail just bought here, I'm thinking that we go just a little bit higher. Even institutional investors and large holders. I mean, I highly doubt that on the last month of the year, December, with these huge gains that XRP gave people, I highly doubt anyone's going to want to sell until the new year, just for tax purposes. Because think about it, if you're a company or an institution and you just made, 30 million on XRP going up in December alone, you're going to see if you can wait until January 1st in order to sell or take any profits on your position so that you can roll over into the 2025 tax year. So, I mean, at least even for me, that's true. I'm just holding off to take any profits until we reach the next tax year so that I don't have to take that hit on 2024. As far as XRP, we look good. I think all these short-term consolidations are just going to continue to break up. I think we're going to keep going at least till about $4. So we could have a pullback, but then we're going to come back up, keep going till about $4 till we get our first real pullback at around $4, $4.50 would be my opinion, just from a bunch of different things that I'm looking at here. And as far as the crypto market is on fire right now. I mean, we all know Bitcoin's about to break 100K and altcoins just started screaming, and this was considered the first month. Usually the juiciest part is about 3 months, maybe 4, and this is considered the first month out of those 3 to 4 months of a crypto bull cycle. And really, this week has been a very important week. So at the beginning of the week on Monday, what we got was Bitcoin dominance broke down out of its trend line. So Bitcoin dominance broke down out of its trend line that it was forming. And this signifies the start of alt season. Bitcoin dominance showed a substantial breakdown through a trend line and is continuing down. So alt season started this Monday, this week, and then Tuesday, Total 3 breaks all-time highs and is now in expansionary territory. So Monday, Bitcoin dominance breaks down. So Monday, alt season starts. Tuesday this week, Total 3 breaks out. So we're in expansion for the altcoin market. And then Wednesday, we get a small pullback as Bitcoin is looking to break 100,000. So by no means do I think this is done. If anything, we just started right now, this week, for alt season. And I believe that will continue for another month or two. We may get a few pullbacks here, but the trajectory is up. Everyone's still looking to get in. There's a lot of room to the upside, and I think people will do very well. When you get these consolidative XRP triangles, if you're at the bottom end of the range, this is not financial advice, this is just for fun, but at the bottom end, the end of the range, you could put in a buy order with a short stop. So, only maybe a few points, because it just gets so tight in these consolidative ranges. So if you're at the bottom of the range, you could possibly put in a buy order and have your stops really tight. as we continue upwards. We might even be getting one of those right now. Me personally, again, not financial advice, but I just put a small buy order in because why not? It's not a huge deal right here in case we make another consolidation here, and then this ends up being the second low, and then we make a third and we break out. So just in case, but even if we come down, blow that stop out, everything's fine. I mean, most people gotten a lot lower, but I do believe in the coming month, we're going to at least go to all-time highs, possibly $4, $4.50, then get our first extremely significant pullback before probably continuing upwards into the beginning of next year. So I hope everyone has a great day today, and thank you.